Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we want every buyer added to your email list automatically. If you are not building your email list from sales, you are leaving money on the table. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually connect Gumroad to Mailchimp 2026. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, you can go ahead and use Zapier now. Just go to zapier.com, then create your new Zap. So as you see here, we have Gumroad. Then we're gonna go and select Mailchimp. I'm tapping on Mailchimp here. Then when this happens, for example, new sale on Gumroad, as you see. As for automatically do this, archive subscriber, create campaign, create tag, create audience, add or update subscriber, send campaign, API request. Just pick your own basically event. You can basically add or update subscriber in Mailchimp, then choose your audience, map, email, first name, then the product purchased. You can then give it a small test, then publish it. Now every buyer joins your email list automatically and instantly. As for like the pro tip, tag subscribers by product so you can send targeted campaigns easily. And that's the whole idea here. So let me say this again. The only thing you're gonna do is open the device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, look for zapier.com, tap on Gumroad here, pick the trigger, it's the sale, then pick Mailchimp here, then automatically do this. Archive subscriber, for example, then you can start with Google for free or just integrate it for free if you already have an email here. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.